dust on my patent leather. The calm before the storm approaches. I'm enjoying this antebellum. I remember the last ride. I remember the way.
All right, guys, so I am on my lunch hour heading to Zara to pick up my online order. I'm dragging my coworker with me. I was like, girl, come on and take a walk with me. So we are walking down Broadway to pick up. This cute little bubble hem at the bottom, button down. This is cute. This is cute. There's that little viral jacket. I don't need another, not nary another jacket. It's a cute little top. What do we have here? Let's see. And I just said I don't need another jacket, right? It's cute, but it feels cheap. I mean, I don't know, something about the material. It's a cute little sweet looking sweater. This is cute. $50? No thanks. These are cute. I forgot I had these. I need to wear them. 40% off. I don't have a gray pair though. All right, let me go get my order. All right, Giselle, I'll be right back. A 32 is a 0? Since when? What in the... So I definitely can't pay attention to the number, because if I'm a 50, then that's probably about a size 8. What is it? What in a 44 is a 12? A 2? Oh, I'm glad I knew that. What's a 40? A 8? These look... Giselle, can I try these on real quick? We got time? Let me try these on. I like these. Cute. Cute little polka dot jacket. Giselle, knock it off. This is a 6. Let me try a 6 on.
They don't stretch.
No stretch? See, that's what I'm saying. We need stretch. And this is why I get in trouble. I'm coming in a girls section and the boys section for my babies. Y'all know I be trying to hook up Ace and Aspen. But you know what? Oh my God, that New York jacket is so cute. This little green one. Oh, that's so cute. And he looks so good in green too. You know what? Nope. There I am, there I am, there I am. All right, y'all. Nope, I ain't gonna do it. I'm gonna stay strong. All right, y'all. I'm going to try on my stuff. Got my little curlies on under my hat. I'm still, y'all, trying to fight this bad head cold. Last night was terrible for me. Sleeping, oh my God. It was so bad. Oh, But I sat at my desk and took my Esta-C, 1,000 milligram every hour for 6 hours, and I'm good. I feel a little better. A little better. Let me go in the fitting room. Y'all can come with me so I can try on this stuff. Don't y'all laugh. Hold on. Look at these little boots. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. These are cute. A nice heel. Oh, let me try these on. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. My little work outfit for the day. I promise y'all I ironed this shirt. And this is what it is. All right, let me try on these jeans. Hold on, y'all. Let's try these on. Let's try these on. All right, I wanted to try the boots on first. So the problem with me and Zara's footwear is I am a true 9.5. Zara goes from 9 to 10. These are 10 and they are feeling big. Yeah, y'all, this is awful. Just look at the back. Now, how it comes straight down like that? And I'm busting because it has no type of cotton. I mean, no stretch. All cotton. This is awful. This is totally awful. And what size is this? This is the... What size is this? Oh, it's a 6. But y'all, it need a little bit of stretch. Jeez. All right, y'all, these are a little better. I guess these are the barrel. But what is going on here? Y'all, they not bad, but OMG. Yeah, no. But at least the barrel shape looks good on me, but this is just not the right jeans. Zara, can y'all put some stretch in y'all jeans already? Good Lord. Alright guys, so these are the shoes that I came to get. I ordered them online. They actually look good. And the funny thing is these are not. Right? These are not. They look good. They look really good. Alright. They might be coming home with me. Yeah, I could do these. Alright. This is a cute little cardigan also. This is actually really cute. $60? Like, oh, you know. Y'all, look how cute this blazer looks on my coworker. She's like, but where am I going with it? I said, where you not going with it? You're going to the office, you're going to Target, you're going to do all the things. Girl, stop playing and get that vest. It looked better than that other jacket you picked up. That's for sure. Here I am. We got the goods, so I got some perfume. And I had bought those black loafers, but y'all, I had to return those. Giselle was like, they look like my grade school. And I was like, your abuela. You know. Okay, so those went back. Okay, is this giving Burberry vibes? Okay, Zara. And this, hold on, is this double-sided? I mean, reversible? This is really, really cute. And it's long. That is really cute, guys. So I need to try this on. Hold on, what size is this? This is a medium. Y'all know what? I don't feel like trying it on. And I don't need another trench, but that is nice. All right, let me get my butt out of here and back to work because I still got to get lunch. All right, later. morning, friends. Good morning. Happy blizzard snowy Monday here in New York City if you guys live here. Today is Monday, February 23rd, 10:24 a.m. And guys, I just showed you guys what's going on outside. It's basically all over New York City. So that gives me a work from home day because I was definitely going in today. Today, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But honestly, it's looking like I might be working from home all week because I'm quite sure they're not going to have this snow cleared up by tomorrow because it's supposed to snow like all day today. So I know they're not going to have it cleared up for the roads and everything. And again, I'm an hour, 30 minutes outside of New York. So yeah, it looks like I'm going to be working from home. And let me just check the weather because yesterday when I checked the weather, they said that it was going to be snowing on Wednesday also. Yep, Wednesday more snow, 70%. So, and then rain Thursday, Friday, which is going to turn it, make it icy. So yeah, looks like I will be working from home the rest of the week. That's fine because I have a lot of house stuff to do, guys. I have so much stuff to do. I have a lot of mail that I need to go through and shred. You know what, guys? I never showed you guys my complete basement. Well, I call it a basement, but it's my family room. And this is where I work. Let me show you guys because there's a lot going on down here. And I do mean a lot, y'all. Don't judge me. Don't judge me, but I'm going to share it with you guys. But I was also self-reflecting. I was looking around. I was like, all right, listen, you need your behind whipped. You out here shopping and you didn't even finish what you were supposed to do with your ledges and everything. Because I wanted a black, I've always wanted a black and white room. So during the pandemic, we were all locked in. So I said, you know what? I'm going to finish my family room. So I painted the entire basement white, and then I added the black accent walls. Let me just show you guys. Hold on. Let me take you guys off of the tripod. I'm going to take you guys off the tripod, and I'm going to just show you guys around. So, during the pandemic, this is what I did. I painted the accent walls black. I painted everything else white. I got the ledges from IKEA. My husband put them up for me, and then I just decorated them with everything that I picked up from Home Goods. So it's a mixture of things, guys. This is from my manager at work, my Vogue book, Gucci, and then I just have some little things here. I just added this greenery on top of this head. I just cascaded this little leaf thing down the side. Home Goods. I think that's from Amazon. Home Goods. Home Goods. Home Goods. I need to put something in there. My security camera. My wedding book, and I just flip the pages every now and again. World Globe. I don't know what that's there for, but my husband bought it. Home Goods. So this is the cabinets that I purchased from IKEA. Now, when I went to get them, I think they were limited stock. I know it took forever for me to get items because the pandemic was just, everything was sold out. I guess everybody was doing the same thing, decorating and revamping their home. This particular one, I think this is Pottery Barn. If this is not Pottery Barn, it's Home Goods. But I'm almost certain, no, this is definitely Pottery Barn. And I just put a candle in there. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. I have to finish right here. So I have to go to IKEA and get I have to measure the space, 3 or 2 more cabinets to go here. And then I put again, my husband put the shelves up. And these are just everything, again, that I got from Home Goods. The head, the greenery, the elephant. My husband put this up. This is a map of Jamaica. If you don't know, guys, my husband is Jamaican. Born and raised until 15 when he relocated to the U.S. and went to, relocated to Brooklyn. So, yeah. I just absolutely love this. This just is so emotional for me. Not emotional, but I just love it. It's a kid playing with their mom. I just thought that was so dope. This is one of my favorite pieces too. The two heads, Buddha in a frame, a Buddha statue here, and then this swing. Just reminds me of my childhood days when I used to love swinging. And then this is just, I just think this is so dope. It's just the man holding the woman up. I probably need to change this moss. It's so old, but yeah, I definitely need to change it. Oh my God, it's so hard. It's terrible. I need to change this. There's nothing in there. Then I have these flowers. Now, I have this big vase, whatever you want to call it, and I just put this greenery in here, but I'm going to change all this up, guys. I have to do better. This is a writing desk that I got from Amazon years ago, over 10 years, and the leg was broken when we moved, and my husband fixed it for me. I think I'm going to put this in a guest bedroom when I change it up. My husband ran out and bought my son this organ thing. Yeah, so I'm like, babe, we need to move this. Bryce is in college. When he comes home, he doesn't even play it. Now, here is where the chaos begins. So, my husband, again, during the pandemic, put this little system here. So, I tried to clean it up the best that I could do. I got a little basket, put all the loose things in here, little workout ball. My husband hooked that to the wall, and those are just different levels of stretch bands. This is... So my monitor, guys, just went out on me. So I need to actually get rid of this. My monitor just went out on me. I just picked up, actually I ran to Costco. What day was that? Friday, and picked up this LG 34-inch monitor. So I picked this up. I don't want to turn it, guys, because I don't want it to fall down. My cup is there. So yeah, my husband did this. This is a bar that my husband just had to have. He went to Home Goods, found this, and I said, babe, you are being so disrespectful because that does not go with the theme of what I was trying to do here. And at that, I just threw my hands up and said, forget it. So he put this in here. He went and ordered this from Amazon, put this on the damn wall. This is, again, all workout stuff. He went to Home Goods, guys, found this couch. Hold on. Let me pull all this out. That sounds like my manager calling me from Teams. He found this couch. Let me turn on some light. Alright. Y'all, I gotta move my papers. Found this couch from Home Goods. Was like, babe, I found a couch. The price was good. It's a pull-out sofa. I said, again, you interrupting what I'm trying to do. I'm over it. I painted this accent wall, put these black and white photos up, because again, y'all, this room's supposed to be black and white. This is where I have my hair dryer. Y'all see me come down here. This is where I sit. This is my storage room. This is a coat closet. And this is where my son was playing basketball. He usually plays with his friends, but yeah, when they were little. I'm getting ready to paint the banister black, freshen this up white, and just change everything around. My husband and my son are sick of me because this is where my coat rack is down here because we have no space for it. I had it in the garage, but he was like, babe, this is really in the way. So I just brought it down here and I just move it from side to side when I don't need the hair dryer and when my son is not using this punching bag. So yeah, I got the nerve, y'all, to be out here shopping, buying Swarovski, and this is what my basement is giving. Oh, and then my husband put this up. All this workout equipment and stuff you guys see, my husband did this during the pandemic. So he just puts the weights on here, and you guys have seen me use this in one of my videos as well. But it's a really, really huge, big space. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm only down here when I'm working. But outside of that, I'm normally upstairs in my bedroom, and my husband is in the living room. Oops, I turned off the wrong light. Okay, there we go. And I need to figure this space out too. But yeah, I have my work cut out for me. So yeah. So that is me, guys, sharing with you guys. Again, no judgment, no judgment. But let me get back to work. I think I just heard my manager calling me on Teams because I know what it sounds like. So let's get to work and I will check back in with you guys later. All right, peace. All right, guys, so welcome back. My husband's now up so I can talk. Check some work emails. All right, guys, so I am all out of shower caps, which I am so surprised because I usually like have them stacked up, but I'm gonna go downstairs and go old school and get me a plastic shopping bag and put it on my head and sit with this deep conditioner in because I haven't given myself a deep conditioner in a very long time. So I'm gonna sit with this on my head probably about 30 minutes and then rinse it out and I will be back. All right. Alright guys, so my hair, I have molded it, sat under the dryer for 45 minutes, so I am all good. I'm about to put some oil on it, throw something on as I need to run to the mall and pick up. I did an order from Ulta for my La Roche-Posay face wash and lotion. I want to try it out, so I bought it from Ulta because if it doesn't work, I can return it. The first La Roche-Posay product I bought was the face wash, but it was the F Claire, and I think it's a little too strong for me, and I can't return that because I purchased it from the HSA store, which is our health savings account store. So yeah, they wouldn't let me exchange it, but it is what it is. It's still good. I'll use it like once a month, but I was using it like every day, and it's definitely too strong. So I want to try the entire line and see how that works, guys, because I've been having an issue with finding facial products for my face. Dr. Gary's products, I don't know what it is, but I think I mentioned this to you guys before. It's just not working. I don't know what is going on with my skin, but it's like we don't like that anymore. Like, no. So I'm gonna try this brand and see what it gives. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me to pick that up, and then I have to stop in a supermarket because my son is home for the weekend from school and he wants my famous lasagna. So I have to pick stuff up for that and get ready. I'm gonna log off at 4:30, and then my husband and I are gonna head to Brooklyn. We're going to the Barclays. He has some comedy show that he bought tickets for that we must attend. He absolutely loves comedy, guys, and yeah, he got to take his sidekick with him. So we're going to go and do that. And what else? Yeah, that's it. So let's go to the mall, grab these products, and then the supermarket. Right, guys, so this is what I am wearing to run outside. I have this little black, it's a fleece lined black little set from, I think this is from Amazon. My green macage coat. My daughter bought this for me for Christmas, guys. It's so warm. And then my cashmere scarf. Who is this scarf from? I was going to say J. Crew. Y'all know everything I have is J. Crew. But I don't think this one is... Who is this from? I don't know who this scarf is from, y'all. So, yeah. I know I need a hat on. But if it's that cold, I'm going to be in the car. I'm not going to be outside long. I have my hood and I started my car up already. So let's go and run these errands. Oh, these boots. I don't know who these little old lady boots are from. But yeah, they got a little fur inside. They are weatherproof, waterproof, and all that other good stuff. So yeah, let's do that. All right, guys. All right, guys. So I'm back at... funny running into you guys here again. I'm back at BJ's. I want to get some gas. I'm at half tank. But as I mentioned, my husband and I are going to Brooklyn tonight. So I want to fill up and I want to run in BJ's. I need paper towels, toilet tissue, and some ground turkey and some other stuff for the lasagna. But let me run in here. These people are looking at me like, really, lady? You're sitting here in your car? Alright, let me get some gas, y'all. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. So gas is secured. It was $33. I like those prices. I like those prices. You know what? Let me just keep these cards in my hand and run right inside to BJ's. It's actually really nice out here. That is actually really nice. I think it's about, what, 40? I think it's like 48 degrees. Alright, those spots. Alright, guys, so I'm going to just put my credit card and my BJ's card and my slots here behind my key fob. Put my phones in my pocket. This in my pocket. I'm going to take y'all with me. And let's go. I'm just looking in the aisles, guys, because I just bought a 34-inch monitor from Costco. And it was $239. So I was just trying to see if they had some cheaper ones here in BJ's. But I'm going straight to the goods, straight to the paper towel. I need paper towel and toilet tissue. What else do I need in here? I'm going to see if they have the ground turkey and the stuff for, what else do I need? And the stuff for the lasagna. What is this? Paper towel. That's not it. Oh, here we go. All the way here in the back. I think I need some more wipes. These are the wipes that I use because they break down like toilet tissue. So that toilet tissue I get here. Yeah, this is the paper towel. Go. I don't know why I thought it came in a red pack. $10.99. What's the family pack? This is. What's the date on here? This is March 6th, so we go for that. This is August 22nd, so these are good. These are in a pack, so that's fine. Alright guys, so I was able to get everything I needed for the lasagna. Now, I normally do not get, I don't stray away from my recipe with different cheeses, but because I don't feel like going to another supermarket, I'm gonna try this Galbani ricotta cheese. I got my Kraft mozzarella, and I'm trying some Barilla. Lasagna noodles. I normally do ronzoni. I just grew up on it, so that's what I tend to use. But we gonna see how this works out today. All right, let me join this line, and of course I gotta go to the bathroom because I always gotta go to the bathroom. So yeah, all right. Alright guys, so I have everything that I needed. The car is packed up and I spent $138. And I'm so proud of myself, y'all, because I ran in there, got what I needed, and came right back out. I might have to put the mall off to tomorrow because, you know what? 2:15. 3. I might have to I'm gonna put the mall off tomorrow, guys, because I need to cook this food for my son. Well, lasagna doesn't take long, but I don't want to be cutting it close. And the mall might have me a bit sidetracked. Well, you know what? Let's see. 3. It shouldn't take more than an hour to cook lasagna. So, but I have some business to take care of in the mall tomorrow. So I'm thinking, you know what? Let me go home. That way I'm not rushing. Oh, y'all, this lighting is awful. Yeah, I'll pick it up. I'll go to the mall tomorrow and pick it up. But right now, I'm gonna head back home, cook. Yeah, I'm gonna do that, guys. Get me a little snacky snack when I go home. Make me a nice little parfait. And that's what we're going to do. And we're going to do the mall tomorrow. Because it is already 2:17. So, yeah. I will see you guys back at home. All right. Bye.
They treat us like shit. They don't even try to hide their lives. They're like right in. I asked this girl for some. She patted her pocket. I'm like, I left it in my underpants. Hey, stop laughing at that, lady.
Can we get the people to stand up on the top? Can we get the people to stand up in the middle, on the side? Come on, this is the time you're game for. Can we get you to stand up for the man of the hour? That's it, let's show some love and show some respect. Ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, show great, great love for the one and only, the great, great Mike Epps, ladies and gentlemen.
fly hard to the top of my garage. Say sky high, I fly with the stars in them G4 flights, baby.